Dante.
Hey, Bonnie said the spell worked. She's locked and loaded.
Something I right there?
Catherine has no idea that Bonnie got her powers back. And Isabel had no idea what you and John and Bonnie did either.